As a developer, I always have believed that documentation is a first class citizen for any coding project. And that is why when I saw this tool Codumentation, I was immediately hooked. Codumentation is a tool that treats documentation as executable code rather than static text that slowly becomes outdated. The core problem it solves is what the author calls as hope-based documentation. What happens in hope-based documentation, you write talks, hope they stay accurate, hope someone notices when they are wrong, and hope they get fixed. This becomes especially critical with AI coding agents that take documentation at face value and propagate errors across your codebase. Instead of trusting documentation by default, Codumentation requires you to write validation code that proves every claim in your docs is actually true. Let's say if your README says all API routes use Zod validation, there is code that checks every route file and fails the build if it finds one without a schema. They have also shared a very interesting story around it, which I would highly suggest you read, and I will drop the link in video's description. But for now, let's get this thing installed and I will test it out locally on one of the project which I will also create in front of you. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe, and if you really want to help the channel, please become a member because that helps a lot. Also, please follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype and without any fluff. So let's get started. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system, and if you're looking to rent a GPU or VM on very affordable price, you can find the link to Master Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. So first up, I'm going to create a new Node.js project. So I'm just going to go to my code directory, and maybe I'm just going to create a new directory, and then I'm just going to initialize that directory. And I already have npm installed. If you don't know how to get this npm installed, just go to my channel and search with npm. It's fairly easy. Now as you can see that my folder is created and it is initialized. Let me also open it in the VS Code to show you the structure. So this is a simple package.json it has created with all the information I gave it earlier. Now, next up, let's install that Codumentation with the npm install command. Let's wait for it. And now let me create a sample project where I'm just creating some of the routes for the API. I'm just going to create these users and posts one. And then let me create a TypeScript file. I'm just going to call it route.ts. And this is what it looks like in VS Code. So both in posts, I have created this route.ts, and then in users, I have created this route.ts. This users one uses Zod, whereas this route.ts doesn't use Zod because I just want to test the failure too. So this is what the structure looks like. Let's go back, and I'm just going to go to my terminal, and let's also install Zod because we are also using it. And Zod is installed. And if you don't know what Zod is a TypeScript schema validation library that lets you define data structure and validate parse data against them at a runtime. Somewhat like Pydantic in Python, but of course it's not a apple to apple match. Okay, so that is done. Now let's go back and let's create a readme file. And this is a simple readme file which I have created to validate all the claims that all API routes in app API must use Zod schemas for input validation. And you know that this one is using Zod, the one for user, and for API one, it's not using the Zod. And that is what we want to test out. Let's go back to terminal and test it out. For testing, let's first initialize Codumentation with this readme file which we have just created. And you can see that the Codumentation has now scanned our readme MD file, the markdown file, and has automatically created module files based on documentation section. So if I take you to my VS Code, you will see this is the directory which it has created, readme.md.codex, and then you can see that it has generated all the documentation content here. It has also created this API standard, some metadata, and some placeholders here. So what we are going to do now, we are just going to go to this API standard.ts, and then we are going to replace this validate function with our own validation logic. So you can see that it is quite customized too. And what we are going to do, so I'm going to put a code here which is going to scan all TypeScript files in the app API directory. This is the one. And then it is going to read each file and check if it imports and uses Zod for validation. And it is going to throw an error if any route is missing Zod validation. So let me first replace this. And this is a validate function which I was referring to, and it is checking that folder and all the logic which I just described. I also have updated this error content. Okay, that is cool. Let's go back and now eventually let's run the validation. And there you go. This is the output of Codumentation. The validation has ran successfully, and you can see that it has got the violation. It found that in the API post route.ts, there is no Zod validation as the documentation claims all routes should. The error message also explains exactly what's wrong and how to fix it, and that demonstrates how this documentation can now actively be enforced its own claims instead of passively becoming outdated. Another cool thing which you can do, and that if you have this sort of CI/CD pipeline, you can just put it in your integration flow so that wherever your testing is happening, you can just include this validation test against your documentation and code, and you will have everything automated as much as possible. And I believe this could be a real beneficial thing for production grade projects. And this is a philosophy created by the Marcus Have, who is the creator of this open source project. And I think that Codumentation really represents a fundamental shift in how we think about documentation, because traditional documentation is written once and slowly rots as the code base evolves. You discover it's wrong only when someone tries to follow it and fails, whereas Codumentation flips this. You write validation code first that proves your documentation claims are true. Then the documentation becomes a living contract that must stay accurate. So I think a pretty good project. Check it out. I will drop the link to it in video's description. Again, please like the video and become a member if you want to help out with the channel, because that is what keeps the lights on. And please follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates. Thank you for all the support.